Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford Escape headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and possibly a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. It's also wise to check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type your specific model requires before you begin. Now, open the hood of your Ford Escape and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. Depending on your model, you might see a few clips or screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these fasteners, often using a Phillips head screwdriver or a trim tool. Once unsecured, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to detach it from the vehicle's frame, giving you better access. With the headlight assembly out, you can now access the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing a tab and pulling it off. Next, depending on your bulb type, either twist the bulb counterclockwise or unclip a retaining spring to release it. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert it and secure it. Finally, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position, ensuring all mounting points align. Reinstall any clips or screws you removed earlier to secure it firmly. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This ensures you have proper illumination for safe driving. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, find the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.